Hey guys, namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. Today we are going to learn introduction of HTML. Before starting to this video, I request all of you please subscribe our YouTube channel and please like and share how much you can this video, that everyone can able to reach this video and learn something new. So let's start to this video. HTML is a markup language, usually primarily to create hypertext web pages, which are published on the web and displayed in any browsers. A markup language is a setup of notations that specifies how the content should look in the browser. HTML's evolution starts from 3.0 and 3.2, after then 4, and now it is on HTML5. Layout of page in HTML5. Basically, in before days, table and div tags are usually used to design the layouts. But after now, HTML5, we have new features with headers, navigation, sections, headings, aside, footers. These types of tags now available in HTML5, which is inbuilt in the HTML5, so we can use this type of tags to design layouts. What are the new features of HTML5? There are a lot of new features in HTML5 that we can use it very easily. First of all, the canvas element is used for 2D drawings. In HTML5, we can draw 2D drawings by using this canvas element. New content specified elements such as article, nav, header, footer, section, and so on helps to structure the document. And also now HTML5 has local storage support. Also, the audio and video elements is available for media playback in HTML5. New form controls such as calendar, date, time, email, URL, search, and so on have been provided by HTML5. Elements of HTML. An element organizes the content in a web page hierarchically, which forms the basic HTML structure. It consists of tags, attributes, and content. For example, body title equal to web, this is body, and body tag closing. This full syntax is called elements. Tags, attributes, and values. Tags denote the start and end of HTML element. Tag includes by, the less than, and the greater than signs. Closing tag is same as start, but the forward slash precedes. Attributes are as properties type of tag. Values are the values for those attributes. For example, in an element P, there is a class which is attributes name, and the given FOO4 is a value for that class. Doc type. The doc type element informs the browser the HTML version number of your document. It is the first declaration in the HTML5 document before other codes. We type the doc type code in the start of our coding. The new HTML5 doc type declaration is as follows: like / bracket and exclamatory sign, and type DOCTYP doc type in capital letter and then HTML and close the bracket. Basic tags. Normally in our HTML we use these basic tags: HTML, head, title, meta, link, script. HTML is the main container of our coding. For example, we can check while we started in doc type HTML, after then we started the HTML. This is the main container of our HTML coding. After then we have heading. Heading consists of following title, meta, link, and scripts tags. Meta tags are used for various purposes. Like this meta tag with UT of 8 is must using meta tag, which supports a lot of alphabets. Title tag is used to give a title to our web page. And the link and scripts are used for link any style sheets or any JavaScript files. HTML entity. Entities are special characters that are reserved in HTML. These entities can be displayed on a HTML5 website using the following syntax. We can use these entities by entering the code ampersand entity name or ampersand has entity name and semicolon. For example, if you need non-breaking space, you have to type ampersand NBSP semicolon. Or you can type its entity number ampersand has 160 semicolon. In this way, for lesser than and greater than ampersand, there is their respective entity name and entity numbers. Thank you for watching this video. We will back again with next new session of HTML. Until that, take care and goodbye.